Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and nutrition tips. Today, we are diving into a product specially designed for our little one's Horlicks Junior original stage. Let's explore why this could be the perfect addition to your child's daily diet. Horlicks Junior original stage is formulated specifically for children between the ages of 2 to 6 years. It's packed with essential nutrients that support overall growth and development during these crucial years. Horlicks Junior is loaded with vital nutrients like calcium, iron, zinc, and vitamins D, B6, and B12. These nutrients are essential for your child's bone growth, brain development, and immune system support. Cognitive development. The presence of iron and iodine in Horlicks Junior helps in cognitive development, making sure your child's brain is sharp and ready to learn. Strong bones and teeth. With added calcium and vitamin D, Horlicks Junior supports the development of strong bones and teeth, which are so important during these growing years. Digestive health. This product also contains fiber that aids in digestion, ensuring your little one's tummy stays happy and healthy. Balanced nutrition. It's not just about vitamins and minerals. Horlicks Junior provides a balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, and fats, giving your child the energy they need to stay active throughout the day. Now, let's see how easy it is to prepare. Just mix 2-3 teaspoons of Horlicks Junior with a glass of warm milk or water, stir well, and it's ready to serve. You can even add it to your child's favorite smoothie for a delicious twist. And there you have it, a nutritious drink that supports your child's growth and development, all wrapped up in a delicious flavor they love. If you're looking for a way to give your little one a head start in life, Horlicks Junior Original Stage could be just what you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and health tips. See you next time.